Wondering what new and fun things to do this Christmas for your school or even at home with your family? Today we are showing 15 super easy or student-friendly DIY Christmas tree ideas that you can make quickly and enjoyably. Let's get started. 1. Paper mashed ball tree. Roll scrap paper into small paper mashed balls, glue them onto a birthday cap or a handmade paper cone, add a star on top, and your eco-friendly tree is ready. 2. Paper fan tree. Fold green paper into a fan, layer the fans from biggest to smallest, and you get a cute paper fan tree in just a few minutes. 3. Wall-mounted paper tree. Draw a large triangle on a wall or chart paper. Stick colored paper cutouts or sticky notes inside it. Perfect for quick classroom decoration. 4. Paper plate Christmas tree. Take a paper plate, cut it into 3 curved sections, stack them from big at the bottom to small at the top, decorate with colors or paper dots, and your cute paper plate Christmas tree is ready. 5. Drinking straw Christmas tree. Use old drinking straws, cut them from long to short and glue them in a straight vertical column. Add a tiny paper star on top, a colorful eco-friendly craft. 6. DIY popsicle stick Christmas tree. Arrange popsicle sticks from longest to shortest, glue them down to make a tree shape, then decorate with beads or paper stars. 7. Triangle sponge tree. Cut a thick sponge into a triangle, paste another triangle sponge behind it for thickness, add a small stick for the trunk, and you have a soft or fluffy 3-dimensional tree. 8. Paper cone tree. Roll green craft paper into a cone, stand it upright, and decorate with tiny paper stars or candies. Quick and effective for any classroom. 9. Gift box Christmas tree. Stack gift boxes in descending size order to form a Christmas tree. Add a paper star on top, tie ribbons or small decorations as ornaments. You can place it in your classroom or a school corridor, depending on the size of the tree you want to make. Super easy and lots of fun. 10. Muffin paper cup tree. Take muffin paper cups, flatten them, and stack them vertically from the smallest at the top to the largest at the bottom. Add a star and create a simple flat tree in seconds. 11. Wool yarn wrap tree. Wrap green wool yarn around a cardboard triangle or cone. Keep layering until it looks full. Then add pom-poms or buttons as ornaments. Warm and cozy. 12. Fresh leaf-led Christmas tree. Collect fresh green leaves. Layer them from small to big in a triangle shape. A natural, eco-friendly tree that looks beautiful. 13. Crayon shavings Christmas tree. Shave crayons using a sharpener. Sprinkle the colorful shavings inside a glue-drawn triangle and watch the colors blend beautifully. 14. Patchwork Christmas tree. Cut small squares from leftover paper. Arrange them neatly inside a triangle outline or on a cone shape and make a bright, vibrant patchwork tree. 15. Paper cup Christmas tree. For a small tree, you can take a few paper cups and stack them in a tiny pyramid, then place a paper star on top. And for a big class tree, all students can bring paper cups. You can arrange all the cups together in large bottom rows and smaller rows on top. To build a tall Christmas tree for your classroom or school corridor, add stars and decorations, and your whole class will love the final result. And there you have it. 15 easy, creative or student-friendly Christmas tree ideas. Which one is your favorite? Comment below. Thank you so much for watching the video. Merry Christmas to all.